In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if USB device is not recognized on your Windows. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click on that. Now you need to view this into category so that you can find System and Security. Click on that. And here you'll find Power Options. Click on that. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you just have to simply choose the option Change when the computer sleeps. Click on that. Then here you'll find this option Changed Advanced Power Settings. Click on that. And in this window will appear. So here you have to look for the USB settings. Once you find the USB settings, you have to click on the drop down arrow to choose the option disabled. Okay, so simply disable the USB settings and then you have to click on apply and click on OK and then close this. Next method, right click at the start button. Then here you have to simply select device manager. Now, once you open the Device Manager window, you have to simply locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers and click on this arrow to expand. Now, locate the root hub and then make a right-click, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now, the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. And then you have to simply locate your USB driver from here. So, once you find your USB driver, you just need to make a right-click, select Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then here, you just need to simply choose the driver that will work for you. So if you have more than one driver, simply choose one by one and click on next. And then close this. And for the next method, go back again to your USB device. And then you have to right click and then select for the driver, select uninstall device and select the uninstall button. Once you have uninstalled it, then you have to close everything and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. After you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.